Hello, this is my possibly first review on YouTube. Booyah! You might remember me from what I recorded this morning, but you probably haven't seen that because you don't care about me. 1 minute. Okay, this is a new source screwdriver. Oh shit. There it is. Okay. What? How many is that? Anyway, this is a review on sonic screwdriver. Let's start off with the size. I'm not going to be one of those people who cares about pocket. Yeah, just need to get a better. Okay. The size is okay. The average size of an 11-year-old boy's face, it is wider than and taller than. That's pretty big. Okay, this is filling up your full screen. You can do that with effect of moving it back and forward anyway, but I'm going to show you features on it, including here is a little button will flap open. You can notice that I put a bit of blue tack on because it does flap open, and I'll just take it out now. You'll see, well, blue tack here, that you see the flap. It fell open! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hope God didn't hear me. Anyway. Oh, I didn't do it that time. Oh yeah, it's because it's on. Oh, phone open. Okay, critically it won't go in, but look. That's what happens. So I use my special blue tag over the webcam. Wow, you're looking a little bit blue today. Put that back in. Here. Okay, here are the sound effects. Sound number 1. Sound number 2. Sound number 3. Oh, the next 2 sounds don't do it often because it breaks the sound chip in it, which would be bad if you're gonna go out and buy it. This is secret sound number 1. You press it 3 times. I repeat, 3. 1, 2, 3. Anyone who watches Doctor Who would realise that isn't a Doctor Who sound. People say it's a laser screwdriver, but this is not a weapon. I do not believe. Okay, now for the 4th one. You press it 4 times or more and hold it. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Yeah. You can use the little red button whenever you like. I like that button. But the flap can be annoying. Very annoying. Okay, here are the buttons. See that there's one right there. That one there activates sound. The other one, the half semicircled one, activates the popping out. Bing! That is quite a strong pop and it would hurt if you did it on someone's head. It doesn't hurt mine. Everyone else has been a crybaby. Yeah, that's my review, and I'm gonna give it an overall score of, let's see, 8. The good points are for the 8 things. The size, I think is good, even though it's quite big. The texture is pretty good. Oh no, I like the leather effect, but it's actually plastic. That's 4. How it extends, 5. Oh, there's a little wire in it. I like that. People say it's really useful. Okay, you can't see it at the moment, but let's see it again. Right, no, I'm looking at the wrong bit altogether. See that there's a wire in it. I like that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 things. Do I like the little bug you like. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I like how you can turn it into a lightsaber. 7. I like the sound effects. 8. No, wait, take away sound effects for something bad for you. I'm going to replace it with this little button here. Okay, the bad point, why? When it's in big mode, you can't use a button there. And also, the flap is very floppy. Well, I might as well put it 7 because Secret Sound would wreck it. 7.5. That's fair enough. A fair review. I've looked at nearly everything. Okay. Yeah. I'll have to turn it back on. Oh, turn the TV on. Ooh. That is a sound screwdriver. Then you turn off your YouTube video. Alright, you asked for it. I'm gonna turn you off. Right now. Bye bye.